What's up guys, welcome to another Jackelboi custom shoe video. Today we're going to be customizing a pair of the Nike Dunk High Varsity Maze. These were released around a month ago and it's doing pretty well on the resale market. It's a yellow and black color, and the reason why they're going for so much is because it is reminiscent of the Wu-Tang Dunk, which released back in 1999. They only released around 36 pairs, I believe. It was friends and family only to like the Wu-Tang members and stuff, so it's a very rare shoe, the actual original 1999 Wu-Tang Dunk, and this one is very similar. I'll post a picture on the screen of the Wu-Tang Dunk, but we're going to be putting the Wu-Tang logo on the back of here, and as well as the tongue tag. It's going to be a really simple custom, but hope you guys enjoy.
Evans. 27 hearts beat.